But in today's video, I'm going to prove you that how you can make it possible that you can make 10K a month with affiliate marketing step by step. So we are going to use clickbank.com for that, and we are going to use some website, tricky website, to make money from that right away here. So steps by step guide will be here to the very end of this video, and I'm going to share with you the unique path actually that you can make your affiliate marketing business to the high level and make a daily consistent income from that right away here. You just need to stay connected with me to the end of this video. So nothing is needed for that. And the good news is that I'm all doing these things for free actually. You don't need to spend any single penny into that. So if you stick with me, you will learn more, you will earn more. Okay? So before going to start the method, just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video because it's absolutely free and I just put a lot of time and energy into that to just make it these types of contents for you. The next thing, if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, so please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So let's begin the strategy. First thing first, we need to sign up with clickbank.com for absolutely free. Once we sign up with ClickBank, the next step is that to log into our account right here. I have already logged into my account on the ClickBank surface and I simply go to the marketplace, and then what you need to do right here once you go to the marketplace, you simply type in the search bar woodworking. So we are going to promote woodworking project with a new tricky method and strategy so that can make you consistent business. So what you need to do once you search, you will see the different keywords and the different products available for woodworking, like woodworkers treasure chest, okay, which the gravity score is only 2.5 actually, which is not good product. Woodworking hobby and income is another product which is zero gravity. We don't want that. So we simply scroll down and we are having one product like kids woodworking, highest converting woodworking sites on the internet, which the gravity is 112, which is the best gravity. The greatest part is here that this product is available for last 4, 5, or 6 years on the ClickBank. So that is an amazing offer, and many people are promoting, and they are making the best amount of money or commission as an affiliate. The first thing is that we will earn for conversion $54, and another thing is that we have initial sales when people update their package. We will earn money from that as well right here. So if we just click on that, or people who click on our link, basically they will come to this page right here that it is all about woodworking. That is an amazing converting video actually that they put it into the first landing page, and after that they showcase some proofs and TED working or woodworking projects right here that people will be amazed for that, and they are crazily converting into that right here to these projects. So what you need to do, we can easily promote these types of products which demand is more on the marketplace right here. So how we can promote, I will show you step by step. But we need to go to the affiliate page or resource page as well to understand what is available over there. So this is the affiliate resource page actually that they are providing, like landing page, banners, PPC keyword, demographics, Facebook, email swipe, review videos, TikTok videos, Rail for Instagram, and other things right here. A lot of things are remaining staying with us right here, but what we need to do, we simply need email swipes right here. We simply click on that. Once we click on the email swipe, so they will bring us right here. They have 5 different email swipes, but we are going to go with the first one because it is our first time right here. So here is, for example, the title, and here is the description or the email body actually that we can simply promote right away here. So how we can promote it and how we need to have the best conversion from that, from this email swipe right here. So for that reason, we are moving to the next part right here, which we are looking for the traffic, which is the essential part in affiliate marketing. Before show you, please hit the like button as an appreciation and share with your loved one that everybody can make money from these types of videos, and subscribe to the channel for future updates and videos. If you want to have more money online, actually, you can check out our full training for affiliate marketing, the first link in the description of this video, and you will be related to a full and comprehensive training from A to Z that you can make money online from that. So the next step is that you simply go to Google and you simply type in the Google like woodworking in Los Angeles. quotation mark at gmail.com, then quotation as well. So once you tap that, then you can simply hit the enter button and you can simply search that. Once you search that, you will have a lot of searches right here that people have searched, or those are the people that they are working in the woodworking field actually, and they need help or something like that. So there will be a lot of email addresses like this one right here, like you can simply see here, this one right here. We only target United States actually, and we in the United States we simply target Los Angeles. So this is one country we have targeted that. So what we need to do right here, we simply just go from the first page, or from the first line, we simply just go that and we select all the text almost to the end right here. We simply select all, and then simply just click on the copy option right here, and then we are going to the next website. The next website is extractemailaddress.com. Once you just look in the Google extractemailaddress.com in the Google, you will be redirected to this page right here. You simply just paste your whole text right here. Once you paste right here, then they will give you the option like email addresses, phone number, web addresses. We don't need phone number, we don't need web addresses right here. We only need email addresses right here. So what you need to do right here, these are a lot of emails actually that we will have it right here absolutely free. So what we need to do right here, we simply just copy all those. Once we copy those right here, the next step for us is that we simply move to the next website, which is this one, replace new lines with commas. The main website name is convert.town. Convert.town slash replace new lines with commas. Okay, let me just show you here, okay, that it will look. So you can then simply stop the video, and this is the complete URL right here that you can simply see here, okay. Convert.town slash replace dash new dash lines dash with dash commas. So that is the main URL right here. So what you need to do right here, you simply just paste your all things right here. Once you paste it right here, automatically it will move right here with the commas right here, added the commas, okay. So once you do that, then you simply just copy from here. Okay. Once we copy from here, the next step is that we simply go to gmail.com. Once you go to the gmail.com, so you will have this page available right here. For example, everybody is having Gmail accounts right here. It's absolutely free. Everybody can get that. It's not a big deal. It's absolutely free. You need to have it one. Once you go, you simply go to the compose section and you simply just come right here. Okay. So what the most important thing is right here, you simply just go with BCC right here. Simply click on that on BCC and simply paste all the tags right here. Okay. Once you paste it all the tags, you can simply see here that it is separated with commas, and it's all taxes are added right here, or all email are added right here. But you, so you will think that why you are not bringing or pasting in the two option right here, because if we just paste it in the two options, so it will move to all people. It looks something like spammy, but in the BCC it will be hidden. So individually for each person it will just go there. Okay, means separately it will go there. So that is the main thing actually that you need to just go with that. Let me just here are some of the here are some of the email addresses that have full stop at the end, so you can simply and easily just remove them from that. Okay, see here. Okay, okay, you see. Okay, I think it is done now. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so now we simply go back with sorry, with two. For two, what you need to do in the two section, you simply just put your own email address or somebody else's email address. It doesn't matter any email address you want. For example, you can simply just add it right here. For example, I'm just adding a simple email address, something like let me just go with this one. So I can simply just add a random email address. It's not a problem, but I need to just the most important ones are the one which are these. Okay, so so here is the essential part that we need to add the subject line here. So for the subject line, we just need to go back to the affiliate resource page, and this was the title actually. Okay, let me just copy that from here and come back right here and paste it right here. Okay, then we simply go back to that affiliate page right here. Okay, uh, and I want to just go. Let me just select the whole text from here. Okay, almost to the bottom. Okay, this will be fine. Simply just copy that and come back right here and simply just paste it right over here. Once you paste that right here, the next step for us will be that we simply just remove these taxes or the links actually that they have used. So we simply just remove those links actually, okay? If there is a grammatical mistake, you can simply just make it correct. So the next step is that you simply go back to your clickbank.com and simply click on the promote option right here and simply use this as strategy like Gmail tracking, something like that. So this will be just for me that I can understand from where the sales come. Simply click on the create hop link. So once I create cop link, so this will be the spatial link that I can simply just copy that from here. Once I copy that from here, the next step for me is that to select all these right here and just change into my own link actually. So that is the important part right here, okay? So simply just click on that and simply just click the enter button and simply click OK. So this was one link. Then there is the next link. I need to change this, okay, to my own link right here, okay? Because if you just put that link, so that will not make you any money like that. So you just need to put a little bit of your time right here and to change all the links which is included right here in this page and this call to action button, okay? Simply just click on the change option or something like that and simply just do your own one, okay? So it will be great. Then simply scroll down, so any links that is included, so make sure that you simply change all the links right here, okay, one by one, because if you miss anyone, you will not make money. That is the most important part right here. The method and strategy is really amazing and really fascinating. You can just make a huge amount of money from that if you just stick into that, and consistent into that. So that will be amazing actually, okay? Let me just change this into my link as well. Okay, just paste it right here, okay? So once I'm done with this, all these things are done right here. Now what I need to do right here, so once you change all the links right here, what you need to do right here, the next step for you will be that actually that you simply just make it correct if there is any mistake with grammar or something like that. So make sure that you simply solve all those. And then the next step is that I simply click on the send option right here. Once you click on the send option, all the messages will be, or email address will be sent to all these people right away here instantly, okay? So the next step for you will be also that you simply just copy these emails and to another notebook or simply in note. You can simply keep it that and you can save somewhere else and you simply go back to the gmail.com actually, sorry, the Google page actually, and just go with the next page right away here. Once you go with the next page actually, again you can simply select all these right here. Once you do that, again you simply just send people these emails. And the next step is also that you simply change. Once you do the whole pages, you just collect all the email addresses. Next is that you simply just change this Los Angeles and to New York, for example, to another city or somewhere else. So you can target multiple states of the United States right here. Then you can simply target Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, and other countries. By that way, you can collect hundreds and thousands of free email addresses, and you need to be sticking to that and send continuously. Just send emails to those. Make sure that you do not spam your inbox with that. So make sure that you simply just send to 30 or 50 or 100 people, not more than 100 people by once. You can simply send emails right here. Then you need to wait for 1 hour or 30 minutes, something like that. Then send again to 100 more people. And that way your account or your Gmail will be also safe, protected, and there will be no spams at all right here. And you will have the best conversion possible. So this method is really working and it is amazing actually. And many people are converting into this page crazily, okay? Because we target the right people, the right audience, and they're really seeking on the Google for TED working, not TED working actually, with woodworking projects actually. So if you bring these steps up offers in front of them, they will be amazed and they will be interested with that, and they can simply convert. Whenever they convert, we are earning money. The purpose is that we need to earn money from that. So this method is really working. You just need to stick into that right away here. That is all. It is completely free. All the websites are free that I'm using, so we can just make a good amount of money from that right away here. So thanks for watching. Till next brand video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments. But don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation and subscribe to the channel for future videos and updates. If you want to have the step-by-step number one training in affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be ready a full and comprehensive training from A to Z that you can make money online from that. So thanks for watching once again. Till next brand video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments.